Everyone, welcome to I was about to say Tuesday because it's the second day of class, but it's Friday. Welcome to Friday. So for your daily assignment today, also it's not Flex Friday today, it's a normal Friday. So there's no live virtual class today, but there is that 1 to 1:30 office hours time. So if you're VLA 1 to 1:30, come on over to class. And actually, let me show ya. For office hours, or if ever you want to meet with me, anyone wants to meet with me ever, I have a new Google Meets room code. So we have obviously for hours 1, 2, and 3, and this is for like our virtual classes on Fridays. Not this Friday, but next Friday. But I also now have office hours. Use this link right here. So like for Monday, VLA hour 1 will use the hour 1 meeting. But on office hours, or if you're meeting with me for some other reason, you can use this link to office hours right there. So that's that. So 1 to 1:30 is office hours. So feel free to stop on by and say hi. Awesome. And then I have switched up the way we do the agenda. It's exactly the same, it's just now a little more color-coded. And who doesn't love some color? So we have attendance question, we have agenda, we have instruction video, and that's what we're doing today. So we are reviewing the engineering design process today, and we are looking at inventions today. So go ahead and flip through our wonderful assignment here. And then organize the engineering design process start to finish. Also, for VLA students, for the quick write, we are not always going to include a question on here for you to write the quick write down, but I would still love for you to grab pencil and paper and write this quick write down. The reason we're doing this quick write at the beginning of class is for 2 reasons. One, to practice our writing skill. It's been a while since we've had to write on paper for a long time, and so we want to make sure we're developing our ability to actually write. I've noticed it's getting harder for me to actually write by hand.
Staff, we have donuts in the staff lounge, and we also have donuts up in the workroom by the media center. There are donuts in the staff lounge and up in the workroom in the media center. Have a great day.
I don't know if you could hear that announcement over the PA, but so for writing, and then also for getting our thoughts onto paper, because sometimes the hardest thing about any project is just starting. It's about getting our thoughts out of our head and onto paper. So quick writes are going to help us do that. So I'm not going to give you space, but please go ahead and do quick writes yourself. I really would appreciate that. And then we have a couple questions about the engineering design process. Just a review from trimester 1. And what we're doing today is we are going to be looking at 10 inventions that are significant in your life. And so click here to go to Google Doc. It looks like this. So directions, identify 10 inventions that are significant in your life. Once you have come up with a list, research what person or group of people, or maybe even a company built the invention. And so for significant in your life, so it could be something like a pillow. A pillow is usually pretty significant in your life to a Chromebook, to fire, to toilet paper, to soap. So things that are significant in your life, they can be as exciting as you want, or as basic as you want. So things that you would really can't live without. And if you can't think of any, there are 3 websites here that show you awesome inventions that have been invented. And so you're going to write those 10 down here. And then you're going to write down who invented them over here. So like we have 2 example ones. So like the incandescent light bulb, super important, Thomas Edison. Or the Post-it note, that was done by 3M, by Arthur Fry at 3M. But if you have any connection to 3M, they're very big on Post-it notes. So it might be a person, it might be a company, it might be a group of people. So try to figure out who invented them. And then, what invention seems the most interesting to you, and why is that invention interesting to you? And try to write incomplete sentences here. So that is today's assignment. So go ahead and submit that when you are done. And then for your extension today, we are again having a science article. So please pick one science article. And so again, you're going to bring it here. It's the same thing you saw yesterday. but there are about like 25-ish articles, I think, here. And you can see there are different categories. And again, the end of the URL is the title. So like for this one, there we go. This article is The Universe Getting Hotter, Cosmic Warning. Or if also you just kind of click on it, then it'll bring up a link there showing you a little bit about the article. So pick an article and then write down the main idea, one interesting thing, one question that you have, using complete sentences, please. So that's your extension for today. And then lastly, there are no star slides. Again, we're not going to get star slides till next Wednesday. So go ahead and answer through all of these, saying, yes, I did them all. Again, no star slides. And you are done for the day, and you're going to have a great weekend. If you did not make your puzzle piece yesterday, so you had that Google Doc assignment, or I guess a Google Drawing assignment where you made a puzzle piece, please make that puzzle piece because I'm going to be printing them off this weekend so we can put it up in the room. And that's that. So again, 1 to 1:30 is office hours. Use this link right here to get to the office hours for 1 to 1:30, and you don't have to be there right at 1. You could show up at 1:15 because you might check in with another teacher first. And I think that's all I got. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye.